Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at a component that can breathe new life into your beloved Pioneer DJ equipment and other electronics. The Kamatasui Tactile Switch Button Switch, specifically the 10-pack designed for models like the CDJ 2000, CDJ 1000MK, CDJ 1000, CDJ 800, CDJ 400, DJM 400, DJM 700, DJM 800, DJM 850, and DJM 1000. Anyone who's spent time with older or heavily used gear knows the frustration of unresponsive or intermittent buttons. Whether it's a cue button that needs multiple presses, a play pause that's unreliable, or buttons that seem to trigger each other, these issues can seriously disrupt a performance or workflow. This is precisely where these tactile switches come in. These aren't just generic switches. They're highlighted as being made in Japan from premium, quality materials. A key feature mentioned is the silver-plated contact points, which are often associated with better connectivity and a longer operational lifespan compared to standard materials. The manufacturer states each switch undergoes rigorous testing by engineers to ensure perfect quality right out of the box. The promise here is a durable and reliable replacement for worn-out components. The compatibility list for these switches is quite extensive, covering a wide array of Pioneer compact disc players and DJ mixers, including models like the CDJ 100, CDJ 200, CDJ 350, CDJ 400, CDJ 800, DDJSR, DDJSB, DDJRR, DDJSX, DDJ WeGo 3, DDJ 400, EFX 1000, and XDJ 700. This broad compatibility makes them a go-to solution for many common repair needs within the Pioneer ecosystem. Beyond DJ gear, the product description also notes their suitability for a vast range of other electronic devices, from car remote controls and LCD panels to electronic toys, cameras, medical equipment like blood pressure monitors, and even household appliances like microwave ovens and electric cookers. This suggests a versatile, standard component used across many industries. Replacing these switches does require soldering to the PCB printed circuit board, so it's a task best suited for those comfortable with electronics repair or who have access to someone who is. The switches themselves are described with standard specifications. On OFF operation mode, 1 amp current rating, 36 volts operating voltage, normally open contact type, plug-in connector type, solder terminal, and a multi-way circuit type. The material is listed as silver. The brand, Kamatasui, emphasizes high-quality assurance and states the product is field-tested and customer-approved for reliable operation. They even back the product with a forever warranty for guaranteed satisfaction, which is a significant claim for electronic components and speaks to the confidence they have in their product's longevity. If you're dealing with frustrating button issues on your valuable equipment, replacing the tactile switches with a quality component like this 10-pack could be a cost-effective way to restore full functionality and extend the life of your gear.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.